Braided headband without sewing machine coming up. Hello crafters, welcome to Anju Risa's crafting room. My name is Risa, but you are free to call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make a braided headband. The best thing about this hairband is we don't need any sewing machine or even a ribbon to close the edge of the hairband, which make this headband very comfortable. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, let us prepare the fabric. I am using jersey knit fabric. The best thing about jersey knit fabric is it won't fade, so there's no need to worry about the raw edges, about hiding the raw edges. Every time I buy a fabric, I always fold my fabric, the selvedge to the selvedge together. As you can see, this is the edge of the fabric. So I will fold the fabric with the selvedge together. And then after that, I will cut the fabric. Let's see here. I will fold this to the same length. As you can see, all of this fabric is not at the same length, so I will tidy up a little. I will cut away this fabric a little. Let's cut this. Next, I'll just throw this away. And then I will have a very nice edge on the fabric here. And now I will fold the fabric about 10 centimeters to make our braided headband. So I will measure about 10 centimeters. About 10 centimeters here and 10 centimeters here. Then we are going to cut the fabric once again. So we will have a nice long strip of fabric. It's nice and tidy. Now let's put this aside. Now this is a long strip of fabric and the size is about 180 centimeters by 10 centimeters. If you can't find a long strip of fabric like this and you want to use a scrap fabric, then you can use 3 pieces of fabric. The size is about 60 by 10 centimeters. You can sew it like this to join the fabrics, and then you can have a very long strip of fabric. Or if you want to make this braided headband using 3 colors, I will cover this in my next video, which is I am using scrap fabric to make this 3 different colors. Now let's try making the hairband. The selvedge, the edge of the fabric here, is a little curly, so I will cut this away just a little. Now, because we want to make the end of the hairband like this, so we have to use a long strip of fabric. But if you want to cover the ends here using ribbons, it's easier. You can check out my previous videos on the top right of this screen. So after we clean the fabric, after we have the knit fabric, let's divide the fabric by 3. It's like this. Just divide it into a 3 strip of fabric, the same length, so it's about 60 centimeters length. After this, just as you can see, this is 3 strips of fabric. Now you can prepare a tape, just a usual tape. And when you cut the tape, I will strongly suggest you to use a regular scissors and don't use your fabric scissors. Only use these scissors to cut fabric. Now you can, as you can see, this is the 1 strip of fabric and this is the loop. And don't cut this away. Now we will glue this single piece, glue it on your table, and you can start braiding the fabric. So how I braid the fabric is I will take the right side to the center and then take the left side to the center, and we will repeat this to the end of the fabric. So right side to center, left side to center. Just do this until the end of the fabric. this is out of the camera, so I will move my tape here so you can see how I braid the fabric. Just tape it here and continue braid the fabric. As you can see, we almost reached the end of the fabric. It's just like a usual braid, and you can see this is the loop, and don't cut this away, and this is the single piece. Now you can just braid it as usual, and when you braid it here to the center, just insert this into the loop, and you can pull the single piece of fabric. Now you can finish the braided like this. As you can see, we only need to hide this single piece of fabric. Now I will take off the tape. Take off the tape here. After this, we are going to prepare the headband. You can use any size for your headband. I have tried to make this braided headband using any size of headband, and it will fit the headband with my fabric size. As you can see, I am using this headband with pleat, and this is toothless headband, and you can see this is another toothless headband. So you can use any size for the hairband. Out of these three, I think I will use this one. My headband width is about 1.5 centimeters or half an inch, around that. Now after you choose your headband, make sure that the braided here will be the same length as your hairband. I have used many headbands and it's all at the same length. Now I will show you how to finish the ends here before we attach this to the hairband. Now as you can see, this is only one strip of fabric. We are going to tuck this inside. Tuck this inside anywhere you can. Just tuck this inside. And we are going to use needle and thread to secure the end of the fabric. Just sew it randomly. Finish the ends like that. Now we are going to repeat on the other ends. So this is too long. I will cut a little. Just cut a little. Now you have to pay attention to this. As you can see, this is the inside of our hairband and this will be the outside of our hairband. So make sure that when you tuck this, you tuck this to the inside of our hairband, the same direction as this. So let's tuck this inside and sew it randomly. I have finished the ends of the fabric. Now we can just attach this to our hairband using hot glue gun. So I will attach this and draw it like a repeated triangle like I always did to my hairband to make sure that all of the hairbands will cover by the fabric. And draw it like a repeated triangle. after you glue the fabric to the hairband, and you can adjust the braided here. You want to make it loose, just to make it a little messy, it's fine. And that's it. Our beautiful braided headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. If you have any requests, you can also write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye bye!